Welcome to our tutorial on using the 13/48 EMA crossover indicator with Heikin Ashi candles in TradingView. In this video, we'll show you how to customize your TradingView chart by switching to Heikin Ashi candles and adding the 13/48 EMA crossover indicator. First, let's switch our chart from regular candles to Heikin Ashi candles. Here's how you can do it. Open TradingView and navigate to the chart you want to customize. In the chart settings, click on the Style tab. Select Heikin Ashi from the available options. With Heikin Ashi candles, you'll have a unique way to visualize price action and trends, which can be helpful when using the 13/48 EMA crossover indicator. Now that we have our chart set up with Heikin Ashi candles, let's add the 13/48 EMA crossover indicator to our chart. Follow these simple steps to add the 13/48 EMA crossover indicator in TradingView. Locate the indicator's icon on the top toolbar and click on it. In the indicator search bar, 13/48 EMA cross, and select Dork 13/48 crosses over the indicator.